Hey YouTube kittens, it's Kitty Cat, and today right now behind me you can see a pile of more and loads of the Japanese lucky bags. And today I'm going to review another one with you. I have not one, not 5, not 10, but 15 lucky bags that I'm going to be reviewing over the next days with you. So don't forget to be subscribed so you don't miss them coming up, and tick the notification bell, otherwise you might miss them because I'm going to put them out much more randomly and much more spontaneously than I usually do them. So don't miss them. From the weird, the funny, the quirky and bizarre, there's some rare and some really hard to get lucky bags, and one of them that I dashed for to get is this one, the Sanrio lucky bag. If you're not quite sure what Sanrio is the company that has Hello Kitty, the Littlest Twin Stars, My Melody, Pom Pom Pudding, loads and loads of characters under it, including the egg Gudetama. So loads and loads of these characters that you can all see on the bags are also on the same umbrella company. Sanrio does really cute character goods. Some of them are cute, some of them are classy. First of all, their lucky bag in itself already is a really cool tote bag. Look at this. You even get like a strap to put it over your shoulder. Check out all the cute characters that are on the bag. It's like a party going on this bag already. This bag here came at 3,000 yen, and there were only a very limited number in stock when I came. So I was the very first one in the morning, and this was the first store that I dashed to when I went into the store. Everyone was like, no running. This was the one I got very first. And because I thought it was going to sell out, and it did sell out very quickly. Quite a lot of mothers and girls all around me going like, nah! So I was like, sorry. There were two types. There was a 2,000 yen type and a 3,000 yen type. And first I went to the 2,000 yen type because I didn't want to spend that too much money. So I went there, and they said on the tag you can see what character is in it. I really wanted to get the Littlest Twin Stars, and I went for the 2,000 yen ones, and they didn't have them as far as I could see because people were snatching them left, right and center away from me. And so I went to the 3,000 yen pile, and it was Hello Kitty, it was My Melody, Pom Pom Pudding, Hello Kitty, and it was like, I want to find the Littlest Twin Stars. Are they even actually in here? And I was just about to like give up, but right at the bottom there was the little tag that said the Littlest Twin Stars items are going to be in this bag, and I'm so grateful. And I think it's a really good thing that they've done with Sanrio to avoid disappointment. At least on the tag you know which character is going to be featured in it, so high expectations! I love the Littlest Twin Stars. To be honest, Cinnamon Roll used to be my favorite character, but recently I've shifted more towards the pastel aesthetic of the Littlest Twin Stars. No! Let's unpack the lucky bag. Lucky. 3,000 yen. Here we go. Yep. Whoa! What? This is already really cool. Okay, let's start with something that looks slightly smaller. We have something that is not the Littlest Twin Stars, but still my favorite character. Oh, and this one here. First of all, mystery box. Mystery box, open the mystery box. What are we gonna get here? Ooh, it's a tumbler. But the same print that you get on the bag. So like to drink water. Like a water tumbler, which I should probably start using because I barely drink water. What? It's a huge bath towel! That's so cool! That is really big. Again, it's the same pattern that you get on the lucky bag. It is really big. Usually Japanese towels are so small. This one is a really decent size. Ta-da! Look at that! It's really nice and big. Chuff. The tumbler and the towel comes with everything, so you kind of know because it's the same print. But the other thing should be the surprise items now. Oh, there's one more thing. It's a little pouch. I love these pouches for when I go on holidays. Usually it's really nice to organize your bags on the inside of your bags with these little pouches. So like one pouch is for socks, and one pouch is for knickers, or one pouch is for accessories. So these ones are very convenient. And again, same pattern, so in case you take this big bag somewhere, you can put this one in there if you want to, for example, organize your accessories. This is already really good value. Here come the random items that will probably be different for every bag. So these are usually items in stock that the store has not really sold, and they're giving them out as extra value. First of all, we have a little My Melody pouch. I think you can use this as a bento pouch if you wanted to. You can, for example, put your bento box into these ones. Then we have a stationery set from Cinnamon Roll and a huge eraser from My Melody. And on top of that, a candy? Are you edible? No, what? It looks like it's candy, but apparently it's a pen. Somehow, somewhere. Ta-da! It is a pen. I actually would totally leave the wrapper on because that makes it even look more like candy. That's so cool. That is so clever. Guys, do you know what this is? Can you guess what this is? This is useful. Coming closer, I'm coming closer. I'm gonna reveal what this is. This one here is for the ear things, with you clean your ears. Actually, on each little cotton bud is a tiny, tiny print of cinnamon roll. That is detail that only you are gonna be able to appreciate if you know. Ah, oh, so kawaii. And last but not least, you're like, where are the Littlest Twin Stars? I have been promised the Littlest Twin Stars, and I did get Littlest Twin Stars, but hold on, look at the size. Ta-da! I'm not even surprised why there were less plushies of the Littlest Twin Stars in the set, because you have, in theory, you have to do 2 plushies instead of 1, because they always come in a set. And on top of that, they even put the little mouse here. Oh man, look at them. They're called Kiki and Dada. And oh, look at that little plushie mouse. Isn't this absolutely adorable? They even put a large star at the back. There's so much going on with these two. They're so cute. I shall snuggle you, snuggle, snuggle, snuggle. That for 3,000 yen is a real bargain. And there's so many cool things in the back. Like even without the extra pack, it was already a real good thing with the tote bag, the towel, and the little pouch. That was already pretty cool. And the tumbler, that was already, you know, Sanrio quality is usually around 3,000 yen at that point. But then adding it up with the extra bits of stationery, the ear thing, and the plushies, that's a real steal. I'm so glad I managed to get this. Thank you, Sanrio. So grateful, so grateful. So glad this was such a good lucky bag. There have been some lucky bags that have not been that lucky. Be sure to check out my channel to find out which ones they were. That was definitely a lucky bag. So glad I got my hands on this. Not sure if I'm gonna have the chance to do that next year because they were very, very popular and they're sold out very quickly. So you need to be fast if you want to get those. Thank you so much for watching my lucky bag unhaul, and there's gonna be unhaul? No, unbox. There's gonna be more lucky bags, so don't forget, be subscribed, take on the notification bell, and give me a like so we can keep doing this. If you want to support the lucky bag haul season a little bit, be sure to maybe drop me a little donation on my PayPal so I can keep doing this next year, because that was a heavy spending I did in advance. I'm not even allowed to think about how much money I spent. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, life should be sweet, let's be sweet to each other, and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!